And welcome back to the channel, everyone. My rock room really needs an overhaul. It's got saggy plastic shelves. There's not much room in there for anything, and I really have to do a makeover. So let's rip everything out and start from scratch. Okay, so I have emptied my rock room. Well, where I store my rocks. The rest of my room is normal, where all my machinery is, but usually where I store my rocks and my tumblers, I have emptied it pretty much. Except for those two bins there, which I can roll around. So along this shelf, or along this wall, I'm going to put some shelving, and I can also now put some shelving on this wall, so I'll have probably more room, because it was pretty crowded in here. I was using plastic shelving as soon as you walked in here, and they stuck about 18 inches out, and they were starting to sag, and they weren't going to last very much longer. So this tumbler was right there, so I have to come in here and kind of squeeze in and kneel down, and it was a big pain in the butt. So I got a couple of pry bars, just kind of jammed in underneath and just kind of wedged it under and just kind of lifted it and slid it a little bit, and I got her in place pretty much where I want it for now. So my next step is to go get some lumber and build me some shelving. So I think above that I'm going to probably, well, another thing too, there's a doorway here kind of for it's the only way we can get our washer and dryer out if something ever happened to them. So we have this little doorway, so I think I'm going to build a separate little shelving thing here to put my tumblers on, my rotary tumblers, and then from this section here on I could put shelving. And then over here is still good for more shelving, and then maybe something up here for other things. But I think I'm gonna have more room. When you have these vibratory tumblers, you're supposed to mount them to a couple of cinder blocks or patio stones. So you have to glue the patio stones together, and then just glue the tumbler to the patio stones, and then you can paint around. You have to paint them first, so I guess the tumbler sticks to it. And yeah, so that was pretty heavy. And if you're ever thinking of getting a vibratory tumbler, you might want to consider that, and where you're going to store it. I have this in my basement underneath my stairs. This is my staircase, so you can hear a little bit of a vibration upstairs, but it's not too bad. You also don't want it touching any walls, because then that would just carry the vibration on through the house. I have it sitting on a couple of rubber pads. I mean, they're probably flattened right now, but it helps a little bit. Maybe a towel would be better.
Don't forget to bring a towel.
And then looking out from that room is a total disaster. I have a lot of work to do. And then I have rocks and grit and tumblers kind of stored throughout the basement in this little area here. More stuff, more rocks over here, and then you go past the washing machine and you see all these rocks. So I got to make room for these and get them off this quick so we can continue on with our lives. Oh boy, what did I get into on a weekend yet? But that's okay. I have a few weeks off still, or a few weekends off before I start playing again. I took the summer off. Well, both my bands took the summer off because they have things to do, which was really cool. First time in my career that I've had to take the summer off, and it was kind of nice. Got to go for a nice trip. Got to enjoy the weekends. Yeah, that's nice. I might do that again. Anyway. And we are almost done. Got this shelf done, all the rocks on it. Got this shelf done, all the rocks on it. And I got room for a few more. How amazing is that? But I do have some more coming because I ordered some blue rocks, and some good friends of ours are coming down to deliver it for us. So At least I'll have a spot for it. And the only thing I have left to do really is I think I'm going to mount my tumblers on here, on this wall. Maybe this wall, but probably this wall on a bunch of shelves. Okay, so now I've gotten this. This is right above my vibratory tumbler, and I'm going to have to redo it because I wasn't able to put all these in where they were nice and tight to each other. I'd have to cut some down. I thought it would work this way, but I don't think it will. It'd be safer if I just put a solid piece in there in each one. So I have my 3-pound Lortone, my 4-pound, my 12-pound Highland Park, my 12-pound MJR, and then the Lotto tumbler double barrel. So once I have that all changed, I should be done. Well, then I have to find a place to put my grit. I might put them on a little shelf right down here, or somewhere on the side beside the tumbler on the bottom. I got to figure that out still. I thought I would have a little bit of room above this guy, but these were too short. And I need access to a power bar, so I'm going to probably mount it right here. All the cords seem to reach there, so we should be fine there. And I was able to get all my rocks on these shelves. Very happy about that. Worked out quite well. I still have some room actually down here and underneath. So, but that doesn't mean I'm getting more rocks. Well, you never know. What I will do is probably drag that little tin of, well, not a little tin, a big tin of green quartzite and throw it underneath here so I can have better access to it. These ones here will probably go beside the tumbler. They're just pea gravel and little pieces of gravel that I could use for tumbling. When I do the roto tumblers, they need smaller rocks when you tumble. They need all different size rocks. So I keep some small ones aside just in case. So if our washing machine or dryer ever breaks down, it has to come through that wall. And I just have a few screws in the side here, and then this will come right out, which is a good thing. I didn't want it permanent. And if that ever does happen, I will still have to, besides moving this shelf, have to take down this shelf, move that bench, and then move my cabbing machine. And probably that little thing, but that's on wheels, just to get it out the door. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to put the old stereo back on with my trusty iPod. I have songs to learn from my band. And we will see you right shortly. And just like that, we're done. I replaced it with some MDF. So I was able to get all my grit up there. My 3-pound, my 4-pound, 12-pound vibratory, and the MJR at the bottom. Power right here. We are good to go, folks. Rest of the rocks. I think my room is almost done. Yay! I know my back is.